Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and it's your host DJ Rex. So it's 4th May and we're back with another Sunday special. So the menu is dark soy sauce mutton, pudina chicken and tomato rice. So for the drinks, we don't have buttermilk today, but we have detergent. Last time you can find it in Thailand only, but now they already brought it here, so you can find it in billion out. So yeah, let's eat. This is a yogurt flavored drink and it is orange flavor. Need to shake it first. It's not that sweet and it's very refreshing. Okay, now let's dig into the food. Okay, start with the tomato rice and then with the KICAP mutton. The rice is so delicious, very tasty, and the mutton it's not spicy at all. Okay, time for the chicken. The chicken is mild spiced, but I think everybody can handle this spice because it's not that strong. You could also taste the mint taste because it's a pudina chicken, and the rice balance these both flavors. I'm going to enjoy my lunch. I hope you guys enjoy too. Bye.